welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna get started with a new video. We got Zari.
Hacen las tuyas, cabrón.
This car is sick. We're gonna head out San Francisco in a bit. We're gonna go, I think, to a car meet, roll cage. Damn. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna get started with a new video. We're here with Zari. What's his name? I forgot what the blue. Carlos and Wayne. And we have Christians, and then Hex's SCATPACKS. And we have Chinte coming up right there. He's gonna go put gas, and we have Beto's Mustang right over there. I think we're waiting on a couple more cars, right? And then, yeah, let me give you guys a little walk around of the whips right now, starting from the Mustang down. But yeah, you guys probably seen this already. It's a GT with slicks. I don't know what's done to it. We'll probably get that in another video. We have a 1LE SS right here. We have a SRT 300 SRT 8 with the Demon. I think these are Demon reps or actual Demon wheels. I don't know. I'm not sure. And we have the Mustang right there, and then we have the Brembos. It came like that, so when he bought it, and then we have Christian's 5.0, and then we have a SCATPACKS right there. I'm pretty sure it's stock. Chente, what is he repping? What is he repping? What's that? What's that? Huh? Oh, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Oh my god. And we have this guy right here. What's up? What's up? You ready?
Yep. Oh, you can't show that.
Huh?
You can't show that.
Oh, I can't show the pin. Yeah, guys, we have the crew right here. This guy's actually gonna start vlogging. I don't know when. You wanna let them know? So they can subscribe. You don't wanna let them know yourself?
Well, put it on already. Damn, doesn't have ketchup. No, that was clean. Oh, what the? That's why it's stained. No, pero se le quita, güey. No, it's just the paper. Yeah, just the paper. Todos traen ketchup, güey. El mío salió con queso.
Your car's not stock anymore?
Huh?
Your car's not stock anymore?
No, it's not. No, so if you guys want to run it, let me know so I can put it on. Y lo hago así. I was driving to school one day. Tu papi chulo. Ah.
Do an introduction. Say something. Say something.
Hey, what's up, guys? Subscribe to my boy's channel real quick. You know, subscribe.
I think that's pretty much it. We're gonna head out in a bit.
Oh, yeah, you got my boy too, my boy. Pull up. Rev it.
Show you guys my next move.
Oh, you caught that, huh?
Yeah.
I'm running with that for full. I'll swing it too.
same thing as my YouTube channel. Here with Christian in the 5.0, and then there's Wayne in the front. Yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna take some pictures in a bit, and we're gonna go check out this meet. Hopefully it's popping. We'll catch you guys when we get there.
Gente, nos fuimos, güey.
What up?
Hey, where you guys at by?
We're over here already.
God damn, wait. Send me the location, wait.
Yeah, I'll send you the location, but you're supposed to pass a tunnel, and like, let me see where you at. Show me.
Yeah, look where I'm at, wait, look.
You probably went turn. No, mames, look at this fool. This fool took the wrong turn way.
Fuck, wait, fuck.
No, mames, you actually turned right. You didn't mean like this dude. Okay, I'll send you the location.
Alright, send me this right now.
Okay.
Hey.
This fool turned the wrong way.
All of them, güey. Dale, güey. He told me it was Wayne. There's a little pool over there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know when, but soon.
Guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys liked the video today. Make sure to go give me a follow, check out these pictures. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.